This quarter is brought to you by Team Lagas and Team Palma and Chanti Oligario. Out at the pounds. Ola ngayon sa Municipality of Buhu. Okay, jersey number 3, dribbling the ball. There's number 26, Boy Lubag. Boy Lubag pass to Lintayan. Tagalog ngayon is still in Fabian. Kapit, tuloy. Lahing di pupasok. Kaya ko rin ni Fabian. Listado na yan. For again, 6 minutes and 5 seconds. More to play in the first quarter. Number 45, the point guard, Rito Baro. Rito Baro ngayon, gidakdak, tubundak, nakawala. Rito Baro naghahanap pass to Lintayan. 10 seconds shot up, Lintayan. Elbow trade, list naman yan para kay Lintayan. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. More to play. The point guard, Ivalya ng pass to malaking mama, 77, lalos na, gidakdak. Quick, cut. Diretso na dyan para kay 77. 6 against 8. 3-point lead para sa Malanga. Jersey number 3, pass to number 26, Boy Lubag. Lopiano ngayon dribbling the ball. Lopiano naghahanap bounce pass number 3, pass to Kuya. Number 44! Hindi pumasok. Back around na 1 point guard, pass to number 25, Conway. Conway ngayon nagmamadaling. Conway pass to Larry! Basketball! Ay, nakuhan pang foul. Okay, basket count. Foul jersey number 45, Rito Bado, pushing foul. Last bonus throw para kay Flores. Rito Bado, first personal foul. And a first team foul para sa Municipality of Buho. Bonus throw number 34, basket yan. 6 against 11, 5 minutes and 5 seconds more to play. Jersey number 3, Rito Bado, nagtitimon, bounce pass to number 13, Nelvao, hindi pumasok tayo na ako ni Flores. Flores yan ang tayo na pinapkagan mga TL. Ako ni 25, Tuloy nagkahirap-hirap spin. Wala pa rin ako ni 34, Castro, Negal, yan, puta, hindi pumasok. Saugas, number 45, Dinagdag, Ibaga, 35 break, naghahanap, Piazo, Leto Paro, Piazo, Tagalo, take away, stop the clock. 4 minutes and 30 seconds on the play. 8 against 11. Jersey number 3, the point guard pass to number 25, Corey pass to 77, Bangga, Lanuska, Bangga, hindi pumasok. Take it out. Nakuha ni Litaya, Piazo, number 3, Longas, number 30. Number 30 ngayon, nagpamana yung 30, pinagagatawan. Nakakuha ng foul. Okay, foul jersey number 3, Ivalya Rosa. Jersey number 3, first personal foul and first team foul para sa Municipality of Buhu. Number 13, number 19, Tagalog, Likaya, wait, nagkahanap, Plato, Pulima, sa 3. Hindi ba? Tagalog, number 5, hirap, pass to the point guard, jersey number 45, pass to Tagalog, pass to 34. Number 34, ngayon, nagpamatay, 34, Luby pa! Hindi pumasok, puta, nakakuha ng foul. Okay, foul jersey number 13, Puico, pushing foul. Time out, Municipality of Buhu. Score, 8 against 11. Nice one. First throw basket yan. Last throw jumpers ready. to jersey number 26. No pass. Number 3, Rito Barro. Rito Barro, pass through. Number 19, Michael Street. Elbow. Wala. Flores yun. Oh. Good. Okay, jersey number 3, Rito Barro. Holding foul. Third team foul para sa Municipality of Buhug. Rito Barro, jersey number 3. First personal foul. Number 3, the point guard, Eval Yarosan. Eval Yarosan, verso number 34. Balik kay jersey number 25. Elbow. Wala. Back about now, 45. Number 45, Rito Barro, ginasta. Crossover, pinagkakatawan. Papian, nagmamatay, Papian. Tuloy. Hindi pumasok. Back about, that one in jersey number. Tintayan, pass to number 20. Pass to number 45. Pass to Rico. Basket yan para kay Rico. Well, against 13 minutes and 20 seconds for the play. Number 34, dribbling the ball pass to 25. Balik kay Flores. 10 seconds shot clock. Basket yan. 3 minutes more to play. Number 3 dribbling the ball. Number 3 pass to Lupiano. Lupiano pass to jersey number. Balik kay Luba. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha na jersey number 27. Now pass to number 25. Broadway pass to. Out of the ball. Okay, substitution. Lintayan out, jersey number 12, Perez. Pasok. 1 minute and 45 seconds more to play. 19 seconds shot clock. Yes, 77. 77. Kangka! 77. Nagawa na! Basket count. May kapunang kwalpa. Okay, basket count foul. Jersey number 13, Boyko. Boyko. Second personal foul. Throw-in substitution. Throw nila Lusca. Hindi pumasok. 1 minute and 35 seconds more to play. Number 26. Pass to jersey number. Pagkata ang inabot. Nagkahirap-hirap out of the bounds. By substitution. 1 minute and 25 seconds more to play in the first quarter. 12 against 17. 5 on D para sa Municipality of Batangas. Jersey number 22. Hindi pumasok. Pagkabahon, bounce pass, number 3. Number 3 yung Rito Barro, number 3. Nagmamadali, number 3. Pass to number 34. Maluga. 1 minute and 5 seconds more to play. Jersey number 1, Marcelo pass to jersey number 5. Udin. 55 seconds, Papian ginagdag, nakawala. Foul na yan. 50 seconds. Number 45 gusto pumawi. Nakakulo. Okay, foul jersey number 27, Papian, illegal use of bond. Papian, first personal foul. And a third, a second team foul para sa Municipality of Batangas. First throw ni Rito Barro, basket yan. Last throw, jumper 3. Tables naman, okay. Tunglagang ko. seconds more to play. So 40 seconds. 17, Lahoy. Wala. Usap, Udin, bounce pass to Lahoy. Gusto ulitin. Hindi pumasok. Take him out. Now, Jeremy number 45. 25 seconds. Yara. Rebound. 15. 10 seconds. 5. And for the first quarter,
Time
18 against 19. 1 point lead para sa municipality of
Batangas. Balik na po second quarter.